Grüezi, Switzerland, and Guten Morgen. So this is our day 4, and this is our last day for our Switzerland trip. Servus guys, so we just arrived here in Trümmelbachfalle from Wengen. So this is the way. So this is the example picture. I'm very excited. So let's get. This is just an example. I hope you can still hear me. So that was the first falls. So we're going up using the elevator. We are now in the cave. So if you want to visit this place, you should expect that it's very cold because these are the melted snow coming from the Swiss Alps, and you're always going to be wet.
So we just had the topmost of the falls. So totally they have 10 falls. And then if you want to go here, you have to take the lift or the elevator. And after from the first floor, you are in the 6th floor directly. At the top, we're going to take the stairs, and Lauterbrunnen is still overlooking. So we are now here on the ground, and as you can see, we have here the river. I just wanted to tell you guys that this river is coming from the waterfalls and continue flowing here up to the lake of Interlaken. And sadly to say that this is our last adventure for our Switzerland trip. Thank you for watching from day 1, day 2, day 3 up to here on day 4. If you want to have more videos, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my Instagram account. Until then, see you next time. Cheers!